Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you the horse and carriage that Steve put together for our Halloween. I stated in my last home tour video that I would share with you all the details that he's put into this. So let's get a closer look. So here is our driver, and we have skull hands sticking out the side, holding on to the lanterns. We got his hands up on the place where he steers the horse. Got the ropes all going down here. And then down below we got the carriage part. And this year he made these wooden wagon wheels as opposed to the hula hoops that he had used last year. And we have an addition of the step to go up into the carriage. And usually he has some bodies laying in the back, but they could be all in the house this year. So this is all the whole top of the carriage, and this is the side of the carriage. And inside the carriage he has all these lights, and they really reflect with the material he used here. And this is looking at it from the other side. Yeah, it's so awesome. I absolutely love it. I fell in love with it this first time I seen something like it in Home Depot, but Steve has outdone himself with this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this project share, and thanks for watching everybody. Happy haunting, and have a good day. Bye for now.